What's up guys, Shane Starnes here. The Note 10 Plus is possibly the best cell phone of 2019, but did you know there are some hidden features and settings that you can enable right now to get the best possible experience out of the Galaxy Note 10 Plus? I'm gonna show you guys how to enable these 10 hidden features. Let's go ahead and get started. This video is sponsored by Manscaped. Manscaped.com is the only men's brand dedicated to below the belt grooming and hygiene. Let's face it, grooming your is something that we all have to do. I've tried disposable razors and even the one blade, but nothing gets me as clean, as safely as Manscaped's Lawnmower 2.0. Manscaped created the world's first manscaping kit that makes manscaping safe and easy, precision engineered tools for your family jewels. The Perfect Package 2.0 kit features the Lawnmower 2.0 waterproof manscaping trimmer with a powerful 6,000 RPM motor and skin-safe technology. That means you're not gonna have any nicks or cuts when you're shaving your junk. You'll get other goodies that'll keep you smelling fresh and clean, like the Crop Preserver and Crop Reviver. Do yourself a favor and head to the link in the description, get 20% off plus free shipping from your Perfect Package 2.0 purchase when you use promo code SHANE20 at Manscaped.com. The Note 9 actually came with an LED notification light, which you can see right here on the Note 9. However, the Note 10, because of the fact that it's missing the bezels and it has more of a full screen display, there is no notification light, but you can actually set up a notification light on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So essentially what we want to do is enable the ring notification light that surrounds the cutout for the front-facing camera. We're gonna go into the Galaxy Store, and then we're looking for Edge Lighting Plus. All right, so once that's installed, we'll go ahead and launch it. The effect that we're looking for here is the black hole. Now you can change the color however you want to change the color here. You can even go with a custom color and drag it to wherever you want. And you can see the color there up top. So I kind of like this cayenne color, so I'll stick with that. And then you can also set up the duration for how long you want it to show, whether you want it to show for a long time or a short time. So you can access that through the app like I showed you a moment ago, or you can go into your settings, display, scroll down to edge screen, make sure this is turned on. And then the other thing that you're going to have to do is where it says manage notifications, make sure that you turn on any application where you want to receive that edge lighting notification. So for me, that's going to be Gmail and text messages. All right guys, and this is exactly what that notification LED looks like. Now, of course, there are other applications that you could use to get the same effect, but I really like it when Samsung gives us an official solution. So one thing about the Galaxy Note 10 Plus is the fact that the screen is so large. So sometimes if you're trying to take a selfie, it may be difficult to reach down here and get the correct framing and take the picture. So one thing that is really cool about the Galaxy Note 10 Plus is you can just grab the shutter button and drag it anywhere on the screen, so it's more of a natural press for a selfie. So I really like that built-in feature. You don't have to tweak any settings. You can just quickly and easily move the shutter button for a better picture. And then when you're done with that, you can just move it right back to where it goes usually. So over the years, Samsung has done an incredible job of making their UI feel super snappy and speedy. They've really improved things like RAM management, and the Note 10 Plus just feels like a powerhouse of a device. However, there's now a feature in the settings that can make this feel even snappier and faster. So whenever I do something, say open an application like Twitter, you'll notice that there is a bit of a fly in and fly out animation. You can actually reduce that animation to make your phone feel even faster. So the way we're gonna do that is we're gonna jump into our settings, and then we're going to go into advanced features, and you'll notice that there is an option here for reduce animations. If you turn that on, that's now going to reduce the animations so the phone feels much more fluid. The traditional way of doing this was to go to your settings, go down to About Phone, and then go to the software information. From there, you would go to the build number, click on that until you become a developer. Then you would go into your developer options. You can scroll down to where it says animations. And then from here, you could either turn them totally off or reduce them by half. So this is kind of doing the same thing as far as reducing the animations and making your phone feel much more fluid. Being that the Galaxy Note 10 is such a large phone, it may be difficult for you to reach all the way up to your notification panel. I find myself that I have to kind of shuffle the phone down in order to reach my notification panel, but there's actually a setting that allows you to swipe down the notification panel from anywhere on the display. In order to activate that, we're gonna pinch in our home screen, we'll go to our home screen settings, and we're going to activate this swipe down for notification panel. So when we swipe down anywhere on the home screen, that's going to give us our notification panel quickly and easily. So you may notice here that I'm rocking the dark theme or the night theme. This can save battery life because whenever the OLED panel displays the color black, it's actually turning pixels off. So having that black theme turned on can in fact save a little bit of battery life. In order to get the dark theme turned on, we'll just go into our display, and where it says night mode here, we'll go ahead and turn that on. Not only does it save on battery life, it also just looks really cool. So one really great benefit to having this super large display is that it's great for multitasking. And now that Samsung has improved RAM management, this phone here has 12 gigabytes of RAM, you're able to actually operate more than one app at the same time in real time, which is super awesome. So we'll go to Recents, we'll tap on whichever application we want to view in split screen. We'll go to we'll go to YouTube, and we'll go to our Recents, and then we will open in the split screen view. And then we'll choose whatever the second application is that we want to view in split screen view. This way I can now watch a video. Now I can watch a video while I'm scrolling through my Twitter feed, and I'm able to do multiple things in real time. So aside from having two screens open at once, we can actually open up a third application. If we go back into our Recents, we can choose an application and open that in the pop-up view. So we can actually have a ton of applications here opened up in pop-up view. As you can see here, I've got 3 applications open in pop-up view. I've got my video playing in YouTube. I have my Twitter feed that I'm able to scroll through. And then I also have my web browser that I'm able to browse the web all at the same time. As you can see, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus has a few hidden features that make it the best multitasking device on the market. So if you're going to be multitasking, you may want to go back and forth between apps really quickly, and the easiest way to do that is you'll open up the application and then double tap on the Recents to open up the very last application that you were in. It's just another quick little hidden feature. So when I swipe over from the right of the phone, I do have an Edge panel. This gives me quick and easy access to applications, but you can actually edit this Edge panel and give yourself a custom Edge panel. You can scroll through the various Edge panels here, and you can even go to the Galaxy Store to download any kind of custom Edge panel. So one cool one here is a quick calculator. If you know that you go out to eat a lot and you need to calculate your tip, the calculator panel might be good for you. The device management panel might be a good one. It shows you quick information on storage, your RAM that's being used, your battery life. There's one here with the soft key edge. This is going to quickly get you into your Recents home back. And there's this really cool feature here, which is the screen capture. So you can easily capture the screen without having to pick your phone up and do the button combination. The way that you would enable the soft key edge is we would go ahead and download the soft key edge. All right, once that is installed, we'll go back home. We'll go over to our Edge application, and then we will search for the new soft key edge. Now, if I want to quickly take a screenshot, I'll just go into my Edge panel and tap on screen capture. That's going to take a screenshot quickly and easily of my display. So earlier we talked about night mode. There's actually a night mode for the keyboard, and able to, in order that black dark theme on the keyboard, you're gonna press this T button here, go into your settings. You're gonna then go into the keyboard layout. Then you're gonna go to keyboard themes and select the dark theme, and then you'll have a dark theme on your keyboard to go along with your night mode. Super simple to switch back to the light mode just by clicking the light mode and applying. All right, so while we are in the keyboard settings, another thing that you can enable here is the pin detection. So now whenever you're in the keyboard and you have your pen out, it's going to give you an option to search to type. So we'll search FSU, and then that takes it directly to the search bar, and we can go. So now you can actually use your S Pen to type in the keyboard just by turning on that S Pen functionality. Another thing that we can turn on here is precision editing. So if you type out a long paragraph here in a text message or something and you need to just go back and edit, you can easily do that here by pressing the menu button. Press the three-dot menu button and then go into your text editing. Now you'll be able to use the cursor here to go back and edit your text. So here I would like to put the cursor there and then replace the Z with an S. So this can make editing your text super simple and easy. Biometrics like Face Unlock and the fingerprint scanner are great. The only issue with that is that people can gain access to your phone while you're sleeping. Or I don't know if you guys saw the meme where the lady was trying to chase after her boyfriend and unlock his phone with his face and he was dodging. So you can actually lock down your phone to where biometrics will not work. So if you're sleeping and you're super paranoid about your significant other getting into your phone, the way that you would turn that on is you would go into your settings, go into the lock screen, go into secure lock settings, and then toggle on this show lockdown option. In order to turn that on, you're going to get into your power menu, turn on lockdown mode, and now biometrics cannot be used. In order to get into your phone, you'll have to use your PIN. So only those people who know your PIN will be able to gain access to your phone. Another hidden feature here is to pin an application. This is great for when you're about to hand your phone over to another person. Say they want to see the pictures that you took that are in your gallery. The way that you would do this is you would go into your settings, search for pin app. You'll find this pin windows here. You'll toggle that on. You'll go into the particular application, go to your recents, and then choose the app there and pin this app. The only way to get out of this application now is going to be to press the back and recents, and then you'll have to sign into your phone in order to get out of that application. Another really quick feature here, this would be the final feature that we cover. In order to get into your power menu, there is a power button that's right there in the notification panel. The side key is on Bixby by default, but you can actually change the side key by going into settings. We'll go into our advanced features. We'll go into our side key settings, and normally it's set for Wake Bixby, but we'll go ahead and set that to power off menu. This way, when we press and hold the power button, that's going to get us directly into our power menu. So these have been my top 15 hidden Galaxy Note 10 Plus features that I've been using over the past month to get the best possible experience out of this phone. What are some hidden features that you can think of that maybe I didn't cover here? Be sure to leave those in the comments below. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.